Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to crochet this wonderful and easy bag step by step. I used a hook number 5mm. Make a slip knot and chain 16. Row 1, skip 1 chain and make 1 single crochet into the next 15 chains. Make chain 1 and turn the work over. Row 2, make 1 single crochet into the next 15 stitches and repeat these steps until the suitable height. Make 2 pieces. The width is 13.5 centimeters. The height is 16 centimeters. Now we'll make the sides and base. Make a slip knot and 6 chains. Row 1, skip 1 chain and make 1 single crochet into the next 5 chains. Make chain 1 and turn the work over. Row 2, skip 1 chain and make 1 single crochet into the next 5 stitches, and repeat these steps until the suitable height. The width is 5 centimeters. The height is 43 centimeters. Attach these sides with the front and the back part. Attach the parts together with single crochet. Repeat this step until the end. Attach the other part with the same way. Now we'll make the bag handle. Make a slip knot and chains 2. Make single crochet in the second chain. Insert the hook under these 2 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops Pull the yarn through 2 loops. Turn the work. Again, insert the hook under these 2 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and repeat these steps until the suitable height. Make 2 pieces from the handle. Now we will attach the handle with the bag. And repeat this step with the other handle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, comment, like, share and subscribe to get all new videos.